Hi guys, welcome back. Subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon to turn on the notifications so that you won't miss any of my videos in the future. So today I'm very excited to share with you guys my DIY at-home facial which will give you parlor-like results. Yes, that's right, in just 3 simple steps you can get glass-like skin. Stick to the end of the video to see the results. And you guys, it's amazing. Okay, so let's jump straight into the video. So first of all, make sure that your face is clean. Then, our main step is to steam our face. Recently, I was really lucky enough to receive this beautiful and very effective face and hair steamer from Banggood.com. This compact and stable device is an ideal product for home. It can be used as a professional hair steamer as well as a face steamer. You can enjoy the same parlor-like service just at your home. I absolutely love this steamer, you guys. This particular steamer also has ozone function. Steam application of ozone has a germicide, sterilizing and anti-inflammatory effect. It disinfects skin pores. Dead cells are removed, aging skin is retarded, and it also enhances vitamin D formation. Ozone is as well very effective in fighting acne. The result is a younger, healthier and firmer skin. Using a facial ozone steamer loosens dirt particles in your skin and unclogs pores. Ozone also helps remove excess oils from your skin produced by the sebaceous glands located inside the skin. Using ozone therapy improves cell oxygenation. So I normally like to steam my face with ozone on for a minimum of 10 minutes. This is very relaxing, you guys. The steam is very powerful and gives me a very soothing and relaxing effect. Don't worry, it won't burn your face at all. Don't go close to it. You have to stay a feet away from it. This steamer also has an essential oil adding spot here. So if you want to add some relaxing essential oil for some added benefits, then you can go ahead and add it into this compartment here. So after steaming for 10 minutes, I would go on to the next step, which is scrubbing. I have been using this Sonic skin scrubber also from Banggood.com for some time now and I have been really enjoying it. By the way guys, all these product links will be in the description box below. Actually, you can buy these products for 30% off and I will also leave the coupon codes in the description box, so do check it out. This ultrasonic scrubber is very sleek and lightweight and it's very easy to carry while traveling and also very easy to use as well. It has 3 modes, which is cleansing, moisturizing and lifting. I normally use the cleansing mode. As I said before, it's very easy to use. You just need to press the power button for 2 seconds to turn on the device. Press the button 1 time to select the cleansing mode. You have to make sure that your face is always wet as it needs friction. I always turn the steamer on and the steam allows the ultrasonic scrubber to deep cleanse my face as my pores will be open from the steam. Ultrasonic scrubber is a high frequency mechanical vibration wave which is widely used in medical and cosmetic fields. It works through the activation of the ultrasonic waves to loosen up debris and buildup of dead skin cells. An ultrasonic machine has over 30,000 Hz vibrations. It removes impurities from your skin pores since it exfoliates your skin surface. Here, I hope you can see the dead skin cells on the device head. These white things are the blackheads, whiteheads and dead skin cells from my face. Yeah, I know it's really gross, but it gives me a very good satisfaction. Yeah, so I do this for around 5 minutes along with the steam. After the scrubbing itself, you will be able to see a very big difference on your face. Your skin will be a lot smoother, softer, and you will see that your skin has become clear from blackheads. Okay, so now it's time for our third step, which is to apply my all-time favorite face mask. It's very simple and I have already shown this on my channel before. So yes, here I have taken 3 teaspoons of Besan, around 3 to 4 pinches of turmeric powder, and last but not least some cold milk to mix everything into a smooth paste. Just simply eyeball the measurements, it need not be exact. Make sure that you have mixed the pack into a smooth paste. Now simply apply it all over your face using your fingers or using a brush. Also make sure that the steamer is on. This will help to deep cleanse the pores. I'm sure that you guys already know the benefits of this mask, but anyway, I will just give you a brief about it. Besan is a great cleanser for oily skin. It helps to absorb the excess oil from your skin and remove impurities, and yet it doesn't dry out the skin. It keeps the skin supple by regulating moisture. Turmeric contains antioxidants and is also anti-inflammatory and can lighten pigmentation. Turmeric slows the skin aging process and is used to diminish wrinkles, keep skin supple, and improve skin's elasticity. Both Besan and turmeric can treat acne and also prevent them from coming back. Now, milk contains lactic acid, which is an alpha hydroxy acid, which is called AHA. In short, yes. So that's an ingredient that many modern skincare products include. Lactic acid is especially popular in anti-aging face cleansers. Studies show it helps remove dead skin cells and stimulates new cell growth. I absolutely love this face mask so much. I highly recommend you guys try this at home. I normally let it sit until the mask is completely dry, or if you don't have time, then at least for a minimum of 20 to 30 minutes. Whenever I do this facial at home, I always get glass-like glowing skin. I really hope you guys can see how glass-like my skin looks. Believe me guys, it looks really clear and smooth. I do this facial at least once a week to keep my skin clear. I hope you guys will try this at home and let me know in the comments down below how it came out. Okay guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you did, then please give a thumbs up and also share this video with your friends and family and subscribe if you haven't already. That's it. Thank you guys. Bye. Love you.